I would do this drill to practice for my ballet pirouette. Tendu side. 1, 2, send it back. 3, 4, rise and balance. 5, hold 6, land back. 7, 8. Notice how the dancer's toes are pointing outwards away from the center of her body. Okay, dancers, so this is how you would do a ballet pirouette. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tendu 1, 2, prepare. 3, 4, spot and spin. 5, hold 6, land 7. All right? Once you master that, you'll progress or advance to a double pirouette. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spot, spot, land. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. What about a double? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7.